Assalamu alaikum kids, and welcome to the 7th lesson of Quran learning the easy way at Al-Noor channel. Today we are going to be tackling only 3 letters. These letters are pretty simple and straightforward. It won't take your time a whole lot of time. So starting with the first letter, which is Kaf, Kaf, Kaf. I want you to say these words with me, some English examples with me. So say it with me: kind, kite, cat. So Kaf letter resembles to the K in English. So can you say it with me? K, K, Kaf, Kaf, Kaf. Fantastic. Let's try some examples in Arabic. Can you say it with me? كذلك, كذلك, كذلك. Excellent. So the sound is ka, 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 kaf, kaf, kaf. Say it with me. Kaf, kaf. So let's try another example. So take out your tongue and say ذلك, ذلك, ذلك. Excellent. One more example. So خلقك, خلقك, خلقك. Excellent. Fantastic. So let's try some simpler example. Kullu, kullu, kullu. One more. Kitaba, kitaba, kitaba. Excellent. So moving towards the next letter, I want you to know that this letter is not from the throat. It's from the beginning of the mouth, like here, when the root of your tongue touches the upper surface and produce aw, aw, aw. I want you to think of a crow when it makes a sound. It's like aw, aw, aw. The crow doesn't make a sound like po, po, po or ka, ka, ka. It's aw, aw, aw. I'm not owing my lips at all. So try to make the sound off, 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 off. Say it with me. Off, off. I'm not owing my lips at all. I'm not saying off, off. This is wrong. So say like this. Off, off, off. I want you to think of the middle of your mouth over here. Try to make the sound over here. Some people scratch their throat like cough, cough. This is not like this. You are not supposed to scratch your throat. It's off, off. When the root of your tongue touches the upper surface and your mouth, like the end of your mouth like this. Off, off. Very good. Let's try some examples. So the first example is, let's try some simpler one. Ul, ul, ul. As we practiced in the previous kaf is ul. Now this is ul, ul. Try to make the difference. Ul, kul, ul, 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 and kul. There is a difference between the two kafs. One is off, off, and the second is kaf, kaf. Now the first one, off, off, ul, ul, and the second one, kaf, kaf, kul, kul. Try to make the difference between the two. One kaf, off. You say it with pressure, off, pressure in the mouth, at the end of the mouth, And the other one you say it casually, very straightforward, and it is very easy. Kaf, kaf, off, off. It's not oof, oof. It's off, off. I'm not oing my lips at all. Try to remember that. Off, off. Excellent. Let's try one more example. Haqqa, 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 haqqa. Excellent. Towards the next letter, which is fa. Fa. Blow air into your mouth and say fa. Fa. Air comes out with a pressure. Fa. 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 Let's try some examples. Afwaja. Afwaja. I want you to blow air into your mouth and say afwaja. 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 Fantastic. Let's try one more example. Fakara. 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 Remember the strength when saying fa. Fakara. Fakara. Blow the air into your mouth. Fakara. Fakara. Excellent. So, this was today's lecture. I'm sure you are ready for the next installment. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next lesson. And until then, I recommend you to rewind these videos and try to listen several times and make these sounds. So, inshallah, we'll meet in the next lesson. Until then, Allah Hafiz.